The details with the glass is just insane. And as you can see, the marble here on the little bouquets of flowers. Definitely a wonder in Rajasthan and in India. Hello everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful Jaipur, Rajasthan. This is the capital of Rajasthan. It's nicknamed the Pink City. The reason they call it that is because there's pink everywhere. They're famous for their forts, and today I'm going with my friend Karan.
Hi, how are you?
We're gonna go explore the city palace, Amer Fort. We're gonna eat some Rajasthani cuisine, and we're gonna see some other sights. Let's go explore Jaipur.
This is the famous lassi of Jaipur.
This is the most famous place in Jaipur for lassi since 1944. Lassi is basically like a milk yogurt drink. It's delicious. Let's try some. All right, cheers.
Cheers.
That's so good. Wow. It's yogurt, but it's also very liquidy. So there's like a nice little layer. That's all pure yogurt. It's the best one I've had. I've had one in every city. This is the best one. All right, let's continue.
This is the old city, and the city starts from here. Everything is pink here, so you can start from here.
This is the city palace. This is where the king and queen live.
Right now they live here, and this is about 200-300 years old property, and that's the Mubarak Mahal. That's also old, and that's the main fort where the princess and the queen stay.
And that is the king and queen of Rajasthan. Rajasthan has had royalty
Since the British left. So this is the main entrance of the city palace, and that's the hall, that's the banquet hall type, where guests come of the royal family.
Oh, these are the kings and the queens?
Yeah, see, Maharajas from 1835 to 1880. That's from 1880 to 1818. Maharaja Savai is this is the oldest, 1743 to 1751 AD.
This is beautiful. And right upstairs, right up there, is where the king and queen live. So they're basically looking at us right now. I think the coolest part about this palace are these doors. Look at the details here. Wow. What is this? Just like a million little flowers, this one. Roses.
These doors are about 200-300 years old. More than that. 200 years old. You see the detailing in everything. They didn't change anything. It's all the same. We're eating Rajasthani food to a restaurant nearby. Where are you, Leo? Rajasthani khana hai.
Yeah, so next up, we're gonna go eat some Rajasthani food because it's already lunchtime. I'm starving. I'm excited. Rajasthani food is different.
Waiting for the yummy food. The Rajasthani food.
It's very different from northern Indian cuisine. It's like a whole different thing. Whoa, look at this gate. Look at this gate. So on the way to lunch, we had to make a quick stop here at Hawa Mahal. This is a pink palace. As you can see, it's probably the prettiest building in Rajasthan. It looks like a beehive. There's over 950 windows, and it's gorgeous. It's a must visit. You can only see it from outside, as you can see. Just come here, take pictures. You have to see this building.
What is that do?
The people here are so friendly. Everybody wants to be on camera. It's amazing. This bump right, dude. Oh my god. Temple?
Yeah.
Wow. So what's the name of this restaurant? Zor?
It's Venus.
And what do they have? Just Rajasthani or
everything?
it's a big mix?
So Thali, Rajasthani Thali.
Rajasthani Thali, and that's just a mix?
Mix of everything, all dishes.
You break that one, okay? Wow, joke. This in here. So the whole thing?
Garlic chutney, okay? Yogurt curry.
So you just put everything in here?
Yeah.
Wow. Very vegetarian.
Yeah.
yogurt. Nice. As you saw, he broke up the bread. He mixed in a few different things. And now? Very nice. Not spicy. Mmm. Wow. I like spicy, it's just my stomach, so.
Very spicy, okay?
And this is like
और घर का
cauliflower.
खाना टाइप है ना, घर का home food like yum.
So throw churma.
Mix. Okay, no.
Whoa. Okay. So let's try churma. So it's sweet.
Yeah.
Mmm. Very sweet. I like it without the churma. I guess like an omelet here, you know? You just mix it all together. Bazi roti.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's hot. So what, you just go together?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a whole wheat bread. So it's like whole wheat.
ये किससे बनता है?
You know what I like about it? It's very different from Northern Indian cuisine, you know? And it's, I like how the bread, how it's so crumbly. Lots of vegetables.
ये मेरे पे
With that.
लस्सी है.
Lunch was incredible. Got extremely full, really fast.
We're going to Jal Mahal. It's a lake and there's a fort in between.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
आ रही ठीक है ये ना?
This is Jal Mahal. It's a city palace in the middle of this lake. It was renovated in the 18th century and it's a great mix of Mughal and Rajput architecture. Good? I thought it was fine, right? Yeah, we'll take a picture together. Okay. You guys say. You too.
Okay.
Thank you. YouTube.
Yeah, you too.
Okay.
Next up, we're headed to Amer Fort, the biggest and most famous fort in all of Rajasthan.
Yeah.
It's humongous. It takes about at least 2 hours to explore the whole thing. And yeah, we're gonna be there in the next like what, 10-15 minutes?
15 minutes.
At this speed.
ये तेज चलाओ
I
तेरा.
suggest you don't take a tuk-tuk. This is Amer Fort, and something that's very interesting about Jaipur is that the forts are next to each other. They're not like one combined fort. Here we have Amer Fort. They say that's all Jaipur Fort, and that's Amer Fort. Amer Fort obviously is like extremely pretty. It's like an orange, it's like a bright orange. Okay, so let's go explore Amer Fort.
Amer Fort, we are going to visit the Amer Fort. Inside is the most important part is the mirror palace, glass palace. I will show you there. We are going there. It's like that. You can see like one.
For the fish?
The fish is there.
Yeah.
The fish is.
They eat.
Just throw it slowly. So right here we have a 12-kilometer wall that goes around the entire fortress. It was built over 400 years ago, and basically the king's soldiers would like post up here, and if they saw any trouble coming, they'd hit the drums, and everybody would know. That's pretty cool.
There is a very beautiful garden. That is a saffron garden. Saffron. I will show you from there. We go there upstairs. From there you can take the picture also. Very beautiful garden.
This walk is tiring.
Yeah. Good exercise.
Yeah. Definitely burning all the calories.
In that time, the king time is they make. They use the wooden. Is the wooden name is the teak wood. Teak wood. Okay, 350-year-old. This is the entrance gate, exit gate is another. This big hall is they use for the meeting hall, public audience hall. In that time, the king sit in the center. Around the king, minister people they are sitting there. Local people they not allow inside, they are sitting outside. Anybody problem, the king listen the problem and after make the decision. And the red stone, that stone name is a Karoli stone. That is a local stone, Karoli. And the white color, that is made by the marble. Marble is very famous from Jaipur. Near the Jaipur, one town, the town name is a Makrana. There is a mines of the marble. Marble come from there, big rocks, and the cutting polishing in the Jaipur city. After they make in the single piece, they make the Shiva, Parvati, Ganesha, tiger, lion, elephant, many animals like that in a one piece. There is no joint. We are going to the inside, the most important part of the Amer Fort, that is called the Mirror Palace. Mirror, Glass Palace. And that is the main entrance gate to the Mirror Palace. The gate name is a Ganesh pole. So in the center there is a painting of the Ganesha. And on the gate very nice flower, very nice painting. That painting about 400-year-old, and they use the colors are natural color, vegetable colors. No chemical color. Chemical color after 6 months come out. Vegetable color is a long life for the dresses. It's not a natural, it's not a chemical color. It's with natural colors. They take the turmeric, Spanish colors, grinding and after it.
This is incredible. It's so beautiful. And it's so different from anything I've ever seen. All the forts I've seen are like in Europe, you know, so they're very different.
Mughal garden, and the trees are new. The old trees are, finished. It's a broken finish. So that's why they put the new trees. It's a marble work, handmade, carving. That time no machine. So Ambu's work.
This one's so nice.
So nice. Here also black marble, the settle here.
Wow.
They cut and they make the flower and the settle here. It's done by hand. It's a marble. You can see the very best quality marbles are there.
Yeah. It's like one big solid piece.
Very smooth. So in that time, the King Man Singh with family, he lived there inside. The most important part is the glass palace, mural palace. The glass is not local, glass from the Belgium. They bring the Belgium glass and they settle here. And it will take the timing to make the complete about 35 years.
35 years?
Yes. And you can see the very miniature work in the marble, accuracy of the flowers. You can see there, here, is all are handmade. The black marble also they cut and thereafter settle here. And that time there is no door. You can see there is no door. They put the curtain. So from the garden, naturally coming, touch here and the curtain, inside become the chilled, like the air condition. The small hall, that is a secret meeting hall. That time the king sit here for the secret planning. That is for the public audience hall, for the public meeting.
The details with the glass is just insane. And as you can see, the marble here on the like little bouquets of flowers. I mean, it really is out of this world, you know. Our guy's gonna show us stars.
Yeah.
There we go. So basically, you light a fire or you put a flashlight and you see stars. It's amazing.
Next I will show the king and queen the toilet and bathroom, washrooms.
So we're going to see the king and queen's bathrooms. Dude, this is like a maze.
Left.
Very beautiful view of the garden, saffron garden. They cook here for the soldier servants. Many servants, many soldiers, they cook in this. There is a port. Okay, that is a town, army town. A town about 700-year-old. That is a big boundary wall I told you. Around the fort 12 kilometers. So the king, he built that fort name is, king name is Man Singh, and he got a 12 wife. And 12 wives, they live separate. Suppose they live all together, they start a fight. So king, he make the 12 room, 12 wives. They are not going to fight. So you can see center, there is a 3 gate. That is the one part of the that is a part of the one queen. Another queen is there in the last, and third queen is here. So 3 queen is living here this side, 3 in the front, 3 in the down, and 3 in the last. Around here 12 room. And there is a 12 steps also to come upstairs. You can see steps are there. Oh. And down room they use in the winter season. And upstairs they come in the summer season.
Okay. Woo. These are huge steps. Oh my god. Careful. Oh my god.
You can see the old paintings are here.
Oh wow.
And there is a Kama Sutra painting also. You like to see the Kama Sutra painting?
Yeah, Kama Sutra for sure.
You go there inside. You can see there is the Kama Sutra.
Wow. So this is Baradari. This is the meeting point for the king with his 12 wives. He would sit right here in the center and they would sit around him. This guy had a lucky life.
Yeah.
This is the way, is the tunnel. There are many tunnels are here. There are more than 6 tunnels are here. If suppose sometime they attack, they fight with Mughal, attack. The queen, children, and some servants, they go from this way. That is a secret way.
This is a jewelry box of one of the queens. So there was basically 12 of these in this palace.
So all the best. Have a good time and good luck to you.
Thank you.
Have a good dream.
Thank you.
All the best.
Have a good dream. I'm gonna have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's been awesome. We had an incredible day here in Jaipur. We saw many different sights. My favorite for sure is the Amer Fort. It's incredible. It really is something out of this world. My favorite part about it was the glass room where the king used to sleep. That thing is just like, wow, blow you away. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if you've been to India, Jaipur, or you want to come. and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. Thank you guys. See you on the next adventure in Jaipur tomorrow.
Jaipur